Now, the topic before us is linear equations, variables on both sides. Now, the question before us is solve the following equation and check your results. Now, what is given? This is the variable x. This is on both sides. In the exam, there may be any other alphabet in place of x. That is, it may be A, B, C, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, T, anything else or anything other alphabet. It does not matter. It here it means variable. This question consists of two parts. First, it is written as solve the following equation. That is, we are to find out the value of variable. In this case, variable is x, so we will find out the value of x. Then the next part is check your results. What is the meaning? It means that we will fill in the value of variable. That is, we will fill in the value of x on both sides and we'll find out whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. Let us see how we will solve this question. So, we will first write this as it is, 4/5 into x plus 10. To solve this, next step is either we may multiply both sides by 5. Why? Because here it is written as 4/5 on one side. So either we multiply both sides by 5, then it becomes 5x is equal to 4/5 into 5 x plus 10. That is, it will become 5x is equal to 4x plus 10. One form is that we start in this way, or we can simply take this 5 to other side. So when we would take this 5 to other side, it will be multiplied because here it is on the lower side, and when it goes to the other side, it goes on the upper side. So it becomes x into 5 means, so here it will be x plus 10. So it will be 5x is equal to 4x plus 10. So one and the same thing, that is, either we will multiply both sides by 5, or we can simply take this 5 to the other side. That is, here it is dividing and on the other side it will be multiplying with the variable. So here we have find out the value of 5x. So we will go step further because we will have to find out the value of x and not 5x. So 5x is equal to, here we will break the bracket. So it will be solved as 4x plus 4 into 10, 40. So now we will take this variable to other side. 5x, here it is in plus, it will become in negative, is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40. So we have, so far we have arrived at only the value of variable, that is x. Now we have to check. What is checking? We will see. Check left hand side. What is left hand side expression? It is x. Here x. What is the value of x? We have calculated, it is 40. Now we will fill in the value of x on right hand side expression. What is right hand side expression? It is 4/5 into x plus 10. 4/5 into, what is the value of x? It is 40 plus 10. We will solve it. 4/5. First of all, we will do this sum up. That is, 40 will be added with 10, it becomes 50. And then 4/5 into 50, it becomes 4 into 10, 40. So left hand side 40, right hand side 40. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. That is the value of variable x which we had arrived at is okay. So the next question before us is solve the following equation and check your results. So here first of all we will write the same equation as it is. 26/3 minus y. So y in this case is variable. First of all, we will take the numbers which have variable to one side, that is on the left hand side, and the numbers which do not have any variable to the other side, that is right hand side. And this question consists of two parts, that is solve the following equation means we will have to find out the value of variable, and variable in this case is y, and then we have to check result. Check result means that we will fill in the value of variable, that is in this case y, in the equation, that is we will fill the value of y on left hand side expression and on the right hand side expression, and we will see what happens. So now first of all we will take this variable to the other side. Here it is in negative and it becomes positive on other side. Now 26/3, here we will take this plus entry to the other side, plus 5/3 to the other side, and when it is shifted to other side, because it was positive, it becomes negative on the other side when shifted to the other side. So 2y plus y is equal to 3y is equal to 20, because here you can write it as 26 over minus 5 divided by 3, it is 21/3 is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7/3. So now we have arrived at the value of y. So now we are to check what is, if now we are to check whether what is the value of left hand side and what is the value of right hand side, because we will fill in the value of y in both the sides, that is in both the expressions we will fill the value of y. So check left hand side. What is left hand side? 2y plus 5/3. So 2y is 7/3. 7/3 plus 5/3. So it becomes 14/3 plus 5/3. It becomes 19/3. So now we will fill the value of y on right hand side expression. What is right hand side? It is 26/3 minus y. So we will fill the value of y. So 26/3 minus y. Y is 7/3. So it becomes 26 minus 7. It becomes 19/3. So the value of left hand side is 19/3. Right hand side 19/3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hence verified. These are very simple questions where we are to simply find out the value of variable, and then we have to put the value of variable on both the sides, that is on left hand side and right hand side, and we will find out whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. If left hand side is equal to not equal to right hand side, it means either we have calculated the wrong value of variable, or the equation given is wrong. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.